Hello everybody, hello, it's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. I want to talk about my hookup again, my people. So, my hookup, I did do one who be say they all of them they marry. You understand? So my hookup, if you need a responsible man and a responsible woman, may you call Lady J. I'm here for you people. So if you date Germany and you need a good husband, because men just dey ground now for Germany. So if you be a woman, even though say you don't feel born pikin, no shame, call me. I go hook you up with better man. Who tell una say woman wey don fit born pikin say e no go see husband again? Who tell una? Na that be una mentality. E dey. You go see better man wey go marry you. You go say marry you enter house. Better men dey ground now for Germany. So if you dey Germany, contact Lady J. I'm here for you people. I go hook you up with better man wey be say you go marry, you go dey enjoy your marriage wey me I dey enjoy my own soul. You go dey enjoy your marriage, you go dey feel young, you go dey happy for your marriage. You understand it, my people? So if you dey Italy too and you still need man for Italy, still contact Lady J. And if you be man wey still dey Italy, you need wife, call Lady J too. I'm here for you people too. Then if you dey France and you need a man dey France now, so if you be woman and you need a better man for France, still call me. I dey my hook up. I not the hook men wey be say they will come here come lie no man fit come here come lie. And if you be married man, you say me you come lie for where Lady J dey, I must catch you. So my dear, my people, so if you be woman wey don fit born pikin, even though say na 3 you don fit born or 2 or 1, contact me. I go hook you up. No worry, no fear. Contact Lady J. I go hook you up with better man wey be say you go dey happy for your marriage. You understand me? So if you be man wey say dey Holland and a woman you dey Holland, you need a responsible man and a responsible woman, contact me. I dey here for now. I go hook you up with better man and a better woman. So just contact Lady J. I'm here for you people. So my hookup is very nice and is real. So we don't do fake things here. So if you need the responsible man and the responsible woman, contact me. No shame. Some women they just did they die in silence. No, the shame. No shame, my dear. Everybody need man for their side. So if you need a good man and you need a good woman, contact me. I go hook you up with better man and the better woman. I go hook you up. Don't worry. Just contact me. So if you contact me, I go hook you up. If you don't born pikin, like the way I talked before, call me. I dey here for now. May you not fear. May you not shame. Remove shame for high. Contact me. So many of you they die in silence. What's gonna make you they die in silence? Contact Lady J. I go hook you up a better man. Better man will be say, you go deal with her, you go dey happy. You they say, oh God, oh, thank God say I know this woman through this guy. You understand me? All of them we meet up hook up, all don't marry now. They happy every day. You understand? So my hook up, I don't they do one for fun. And they do one for real. You understand me? For real, we be say you go marry like this, you go dey happy for your husband house. You go say, So marriage will just take place for under 1 month like this. You understand me? You must not date guy for 100 days before guy go say he want marry you. You know, so many women they always get that mentality, say they feel a man you have to date and reach how many months. No, my dear. You don't have to date man for 100 days before you will know say go marry you. A man who want marry you under 1 month, he don't know your character, he don't know who you be, he go marry you. You must not go follow and reach 100 years before you come tell you say, he want marry you. No. You understand me? So my people, some see dey wey be say they go dey follow man. So the man go dey use them there, they lie to them, saying go marry them tomorrow. Next tomorrow time you don't come, you go say abeg, don't be that one I did now. No, say my dear, he can never get that time when he go to marry you. That time no go dey. He go there they deceive you. Contact Lady J, make I hook you up with better man when you marry. If you dey with man, they deceive you for his house there. You not even get you for mind. Talk less than want to marry you. Someday after they'll use you finish, they'll go Nigeria, go marry. You understand? So contact me. I go hook you up with better man, responsible man. Not be now. Woman will come day. After you don't reach 40 something years, you contact you say no, saying you not be a type of man. Before you reach that age, my dear, someday they carry an engagement ring for 10 years. They waka. For man, we not go even marry you even the next 5 years. If you don't go talk about marriage, but it will give you engagement. Any man toast you will tell the man say, I'm married, I'm engaged. Engage. You will just need to engage the go. Marriage, you not go even marry you, my dear. So, my dear people, my hookup is there. So if you need a responsible man and a responsible woman, contact me. I will hook you up. You understand me, my people? I go hook you up with better man and a better woman. You go dey happy the way me I dey happy for my own. You go dey happy. So if you will be woman with a born pikin, contact me. No shame. Remove shame for eye. This time we will dey now. Not be those days we the waka, man go dey toast you, they go. It not day like that again. Some men not even get time. Man, we don't go work since morning. Now I can get time. Go to the say now you want come the toast woman they go. Man, where they work since now. Now let do I will not get work. Go they get until they work out. They go for road define woman when you want collect number. It not day like that again. Even this time now, woman don't even get that time to come the stand. Say me man not the toast time. You know, all those things don't change. They said that this hook up through internet, different things. You understand me? So we'll go hook you up with better man, the better woman. Don't be shy. Some people dey. Shame not gonna make them one call. The other day they die in silence. I forgot this woman, but I did shame. Shame for waiting. No shame. Contact me. I go say put my number for this platform again. Call me. I'm here. I go hook you up with better man. You go dey happy. And another thing again, man, they look down on our guys because they be Aduro. Aduro go see big boy tomorrow now. And I don't think like that. All those big boys, they say they start from somewhere. Many of the fresh up Aduro too now. You understand me? So I know say some men they feel come your life because of documents, you know, but not be all be like that. You understand me? If any man come your life because of documents, you that woman go physically that document for your hand too. I bet you don't know. You physically kill him. You understand me? So when they look down on our Aduro boys, some day we say they nice, not be all they bad. Some day they really want marry. Now we say joke, they really want marry. So but our men, our girls, the way they look down on them, you know good. Aduro go see turn big boy tomorrow. Aduro go see turn citizen tomorrow. Aduro not be say that now because na Aduro boy. Now Aduro boy not friend girl again. Because if the man want toast the night go say na Aduro. Oh, which one be Aduro? Aduro na not come friend girl again. Now I be waiting. Aduro go see turn big boy tomorrow. Now they look down on them again. Women, some women they look down on our Aduro boys. They not be human be because they come shop Aduro. Who not shop Aduro? Who not shop Aduro? Say maybe you can't get locked, they give you document. No, me say that Aduro boy, they don't still give a document tomorrow. So Aduro now human be too. But now they look down on them again. So if someone married or they ask now Aduro boy, I know you know mean. Not be all Aduro boy they bad. Some they good too. You understand me, my people? Not be all Aduro boy then they bad. Some see they way they good. So I say I must talk about this thing because it's not good. When I hear they look down on our Aduro boys, Aduro boy not be human being again. Now human being they be. When I understand, they be human being. So they still need woman too. They still want to marry. If you can't wait document, you don't marry. You're still married now. So when they look down on them, get I beg my people. They be human being like us too. So I beg, if your own good, don't be say another person not go good tomorrow. It time go see reach. You understand? It time go see reach. It go come still get too. So more than they look down on our Aduro boys again. I beg. More than they look down on them. They be human be like us too. They still need to marry, they still need to enjoy themselves. You know? And if you be woman, we be say you the select man. No, they select. No, not thinking not be that kind of guy. Not be guy when I feel present. Not be guy I not love her. You don't need now man supposed to love you past the way you go to love. If you be the woman they love man, the thing not go work out. Now you will be man. Now man supposed to they love you past the way you take love her. So that the relationship you go work out. If you now the woman will be saying that you go they love the man, it not go work out. I don't know. Let man they love you past the way you take love them. Now the thing they work, they go they sweet. Don't be joking. The marriage go they sweet. Before now I think you will be say, I'm not my kind of guy. I don't love him. Now those days, my dear. Those days, let man love you the way past the way you take love him. Don't say you not go love, but let that man own pass your own. You'll see, you'll try and say, wait till this woman talk whether I lie. You understand me? Sometimes this love won't come immediately. Now gradually, when you can see the way the guy say they behave to you, you can't fall in love with him. I don't know. You can't fall in love. You go even the surprise saying, So this guy, thank God, say I not use my mouth to weigh this boy because of my paper body when I not love this guy before. You understand me? So love now small. One day you can still love him. So thank you everybody, and contact Lady J. I'm here for you people, for my hookup. So I will still hook you up with nice guy and the nice woman. You would have had bump picking before. No shame. Call me. I will hook you up with a responsible man. So thank you everybody. I man will go wipe away your tears. Thank you everybody. Until I come your way next time, remember Lady J, and subscribe for my YouTube and share this video for me. Share this hookup for me, please, so that everybody go see him, so that it go better for everybody. So take care. Bye.